Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use public transport in Singapore. First, you'll need a way to pay. You can easily purchase an EZ-Link card at any MRT station or convenience store. Alternatively, many contactless credit or debit cards are accepted directly. For planning, download the My Transport SG app. It offers real-time updates and helps you navigate routes efficiently. Always check station signage for directions. Using the MRT is straightforward. Simply tap your EZ-Link or contactless card at the gantry when you enter a station, and remember to tap again when you exit. For buses, the process is similar. Tap your card when you board and again when you alight. Always pay attention to the signs at stations and bus stops to ensure you are heading in the correct direction and on the right route. Public transport fares in Singapore are calculated based on the distance you travel, making it a cost-effective way to explore. A great benefit is the integrated fare system, which allows for free or discounted transfers between MRT and bus services within a specific time frame. To ensure a smooth journey, always keep an eye on your EZ-Link card balance. You can top it up easily at any station or convenience store. To ensure a pleasant experience for everyone, remember a few simple etiquette rules. On escalators, stand on the left side if you are not walking, allowing others to pass on the right. It's also customary to offer your seat to the elderly, pregnant women, or those with young children. Lastly, please refrain from eating or drinking while on trains and buses to keep the environment clean for all passengers.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.